We want to bring you another update on that fire burning near Possum Kingdom Lake. Our Sydney Persing is live there. Sydney, what are you seeing right now?
Hey, Izzy. Well, the good news out this way is that at last check, just a couple of minutes ago, this fire has not spread anymore and no additional homes have been lost. The bad news, same story across the rest of North Texas. It is really hot and it is really dry. It's making it really hard for these folks to contain this fire. We are still only looking at about 10% containment. These firefighters tell me they expect it will take until the end of the week at least. They've really had a two-prong attack today. Their focus on the ground has been to cut that path of the fire to remove any debris, especially anything flammable that might be near a home in the line of danger. And of course, from the air, they have 3 single-engine planes out here right now. Collectively, those planes are dropping 1,800 gallons of water every 2 minutes. Now, we should note that we have not been able to see, we haven't run into any of the 5 families that are said to have lost their homes out here. I did ask the crews, can you take us further back? Can we go look at those homes? And they told me no, because the address markers on those homes are so badly burnt off that not every family has been notified that they lost their home if they were not here. Chris?
Going to be so hard to hear. Thank you very much, Sydney. And as Sydney mentioned, it's been a while since we've had any significant rain, and these 100-degree days aren't helping. Fires can spark and spread quickly when it's this dry outside, and several are burning right now. Ariel Placencia is tracking the danger and joins us with a look at what's happening now.
Yeah, well, let's start with that Chalk Mountain fire. Here's a live look at it. And I mean, look at all this fire that you can see here from our chopper, just continuing to burn, the smoke coming up. Fire officials said that it became very active again this afternoon, and unfortunately it has grown to 6,000 acres, only 10% contained. So you just take a look at all the smoke there, and fire crews have been working since overnight trying to get this thing put out. I'll show you where we are over on the map here. So we'll take a look at the Texas A&M Forest Service. We've got Dallas, Fort Worth, and then you come down here. That's going to be that Chalk Mountain fire that I just showed you. Again, 6,000 acres, just 10% contained. Want to show you one more that's just a bit north of that over here. We're at Possum Kingdom Lake. That's also known as the 1148 fire. You'll see we're just west of Fort Worth. That's about 500 acres, 10% contained. That's where my colleague Sydney was just there. And so crews obviously working hard to get that done. But we've heard from fire crews that their resources are just spread thin because you have so many fires and such big ones that they're having to deal with. One last thing I want to end on, take a live look outside. This is going to be our Cedar Hill Tower cam. We're looking west. Notice the haze kind of back here on the horizon. You can see that smoke all the way from here where we are, just showing you what these firefighters are up against. And Chris and Izzy just hoping that they can get things put out soon.